Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks all kinds of tech. Tech reviews, tech solutions, tech product reviews, and all kinds of tech. And listen, today I want to talk to you about exercise bikes and technology, how they relate. Listen, I want to review today the Exerpeutic 675 XS folding magnetic bike. So before we get started, please give us a like, a share, and a subscribe to the channel. And I'll get into that right now. Now, for a home bike, this bike is a little bit on the high end of exercise bikes. Now, it's not like a Pelion, I believe they call it, but it is a good exercise bike and can hold up to 400 pounds of weight. It is a magnetic resistance bike with 24 presets, and it can use the Mycloud app. A wide stance in the back, which makes it very, very stable. Some bikes you'll find a single rod that goes across both the front and the back, and those are not as stable if you're doing a left to right bounce. Now, it is foldable, which makes it easily storable. It is not battery powered, it is AC powered, and AC power plugs into the bottom of the unit. And we'll get into that right now. I'm going to show you a quick review of the video. This is a review of the Exerpeutic 675 XS. Now, assembly is very simple. It comes with disassembled, but you'll only need to attach this. There are two bolts here, two bolts here. You'll need to put the pedal on. The upper section comes in with 4 bolts, and there's 4 screws that hold on your display panel. The seat, very wide, very comfortable, and it comes in 2 positions. Unfortunately, in this particular model, it is not adjustable forward and back for different height requirements. So it shows you a positioning where you can put either at a 5'9" position or a 5'3" position in height. And I've had it set it to the 5'7". It's easily foldable to a pin and a release mechanism, which is right here, and it'll easily fold, and I'll show you that. Now, it has a cell phone holder for here, and it has 24 different settings and a place for your tablet. Also has a heartbeat detector right here, and is easily mountable. The negative that I don't like about the unit is that these pedals are too close to the arms. And I found that when I am riding the bike, that my leg or foot tends to rub against this because my foot tends to turn sideways. But you can buy an extension that's available off market that will extend the pedal outwards, which I have ordered. We'll go into this more in the video. So in all, it's a very nice heavy-duty bike, supports 400 pounds, well-made extra-duty steel, and because of the wide stance on the back, if you're doing a class using the area where you're using a tablet or a TV in front of you and you're tilting left and right, you'll have a lot less chance of tipping over, which some of the less expensive exercise bikes don't have a wide enough stance on the bike where you could tip over. And many of you have seen the Allstate commercial where he goes flying. The nice thing about it does fold up. It has 2 wheels in the front. So when you pull the pin and lift the rod, it will fold up easily and you can store it and get it out of the way. Now the display is LCD, has 24 different settings that you can go to, and it also has the ability with Bluetooth to connect to the Mycloud app, fitness app. But that is a paid app that works on multiple platforms. You can check that out yourself by typing Mycloud Fitness. The only things that I didn't like about the unit is that where you plug in the AC adapter is an awkward space, and you really need to push the wire carefully between the bike to prevent you from accidentally hitting it while you're getting on and off the bike and accidentally damaging the cord. The other thing I don't like about the bike is that while there are 24 preset settings, there is no setting for just plain manual control. So if you want to go set it for level 1, 2, 3, and just exercise mindlessly without going and changing speeds and levels, it doesn't have that ability. And I wish it did. Now, of course, that nice little place where you can put your tablet is great. And that makes all the difference when you're exercising and you want to connect to YouTube and watch a bike trail, and you could be exercising and riding along with it. So I hope this has been helpful. This has been a product review of the Exerpeutic Therapeutic X75 XLS bike. I totally recommend it. It is a very, very well-made bike. Very, very well-made unit. Easy to use. Easy to store. So this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech Out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more product reviews, more product tips, and all kinds of tech in the future. Thanks a lot and have a great day.